Hey guys, today I'm working with a matching GE washer and electric dryer set. Right now I've got it loaded up, pretty heavy jeans and towel load, filling up with water, and I'm going to show you as it moves along through its cycle that fills up, agitates correctly, drains the water out, and then has a nice smooth final spin cycle. Of course, the washer gets a 28-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale. Same thing with the dryer. It gets a 22-point inspection, and once this is done, we'll switch over to the dryer and show you that that works. So we'll allow this to kind of move along here, and we'll come back. All right, I want to show you real quick that it's agitating. Real good job working those clothes in full submersion on the water, so you know your clothes are getting nice and clean. And I've taken the lid switch off here, which is a magnetized switch, stuck it on there just so we can see it. Otherwise, if you lifted this up, it would shut it down. It's a nice safety feature, but I'll be able to show you the spin cycle this way. All right, it is now draining out the water. You can hear it working that drain, water draining nice and fast, if I can talk today. Then after it drains out all the water, it'll do a spin, fill up, rinse with clean water, and then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which will be the next thing we come back for. Alright, it's just about up to full speed on this spin cycle now. As you can see, it's spinning nice and fast, and there again, there's your lid switch. Let me close this up. Shot here, you can see it sounds great, it's running great, smooth, all the things you'd look for. And let me show you, if you open the lid, shuts it down. So that's how that works, and you can hear the drain still running too. Make sure it gets all the water out of there. We'll let that finish up. We'll move these clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer. Alright guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to the electric matching dryer here. Close it up. Got it set to automatic high heat. Let it go. As you can see in here, it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And I'll let it go for just a couple minutes here and heat up, and then show you with my heat gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll give it about 5 minutes to get nice and warm. Alright, so we give it just a couple minutes here. And right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So kind of difference between the machine and the floor. So we'll go ahead and open this up, shoot it right inside here. You see plenty of heat coming out of the back, which is where the heating element actually is there. And so the heat comes out here, and then the inside of your machine is actually only going to get from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have the heat settings set to. So you can do high heat, medium heat, and then a no heat for your delicates there. So we'll go ahead and let these finish up, get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.